Hello guys, review Tecno Spark Go 1, this version 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Okay, open box and look completion. We have device, we have iPhone-like design, looks like iPhone 15, iPhone 14. We have 120 Hz, 6.76 inch, 6.67 inch, 4 years plus. Lasting fluency. Okay, dual speakers. We have really good speakers on this device. And completion, we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable and headphones. Turn on device. Okay. We have Magic Island on this device for Face ID. Okay. On this side power button and wall buttons. On this side slot for 2 SIM card and microSD card for memory. Downside headphones for headphones jack, Type-C cable, speaker and microphone. Okay. Display IPS, HD resolution, but 120 Hz. It's good. Okay. Open settings. We have iOS version 14.0.1, Android 14. Okay. Open Geekbench 6. We have GPU Mali. GPU Mali G57NP1 and CPU. We have Unisoc T615. Look results: single core score, multi-core score. And GPU test results. Okay, AnTuTu benchmark results. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.